Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be doing a little bit of a declutter, empties, mainly declutter for September. So without further ado, let's just get into it. I just got my little bag here. I actually only used up one thing, and it was the Makeup Revolution Fast-Based, what was it? Fast-Based something. It's pretty much just a foundation stick. That's all I have left. It's that little nub. I do totally plan on buying more of this. I just want to run out of some of my foundations I have now, and then I'm definitely picking more of this up. It's actually one of my favorite foundations ever, and I love that it's in a convenient, easy stick, so definitely love that. Next is two things I'm going to be getting rid of. One is the Lorac Pro palette. It was like the brunch palette. Here's what it looks like here. Sadly, guys, I want to love this so badly, but there's like no pigment to this. The amount that you have to pack on, even with that white NYX base, is just crazy. At first, I really liked it, you know, and then over time, like the past year especially, the amount of different pigment things, and I've seen other pastel palettes, and I realized they could have done better. I absolutely love the tones in this though, so it does like hurt me inside of me to get rid of it, but at the same time, they just don't really work, and I feel like when I do use it, I feel like I'm taking a long time on my eye makeup, and I really don't have like that much time to do my makeup like that. Alright, next. So I just put this all in a little house thing. I am decluttering a bunch of brushes that I realize I do not use. This is going to be a pretty quick video. It's just showing you those two things, and then these. I realize I really don't like fan brushes to put my highlighter on, so I'm ditching those. I have like these double-ended brushes from palettes that I want to get rid of. This one e.l.f. contour brush is just really sharp. An old spoolie brush. I am getting rid of that Bare Minerals brush, the Perfecting Face brush. It just kind of eats a lot of foundation up. I am getting rid of these type of foundation brushes. I know you can use them for masks and stuff, but I just know I won't. Getting rid of, again, more double-ended brushes. I really don't like double-ended brushes because I don't like having to store them all funny. Again, they're just mainly a lot of double-ended brushes from like palettes and stuff. Oh, and finally, I can find it in here. Finally, my Fenty sponge started to rip apart. So, finally I had to get rid of him. It's been a while, and it was finally time for him to go. My god, my Fenty sponge lasted almost a year, so I'm definitely going to end up picking up another one of them. First, I want to try that Morphe sponge, because a lot of you guys recommended it to me, and even my friend brought it up, and I'm like, you know what, I'm going to try the Morphe sponge, because it's really cheap, and hopefully it works. But yeah, just mainly a bunch of brushes. I got some Real Technique ones, but it's because I have multiples, and these are the older ones. And yeah, just some random brushes that I was like, you know what, you're not using them, so you should get rid of them. But yeah, not too much. So the Lorac palette, some brushes, and I did use up the foundation stick. That was pretty much it for this month. Nothing too much. Yeah, that was it. I'm sorry. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And please be sure to subscribe. Sorry if this video was kind of a dud for declutters and empties, but sometimes that happens. Hopefully next month I'll have more. Actually, I'm pretty sure next month I will, because there's a few things I'm really close to the end on, but not enough for this month. But yeah, thank you guys so much, and please be sure to subscribe. Alright, bye.